Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can appear offline on Hay Day. If you are playing Hay Day and want to farm peacefully without friends knowing you are online, then first of all open the Hay Day game on your device and log in. Once the game is fully loaded, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner and click on Settings. Once you open up the Settings menu, click on the Connected button right next to Supercell ID and you'll be able to see this interface on the right corner. Now, click the Gear button at the top left and you'll be able to see the Show Online Status button. Toggle off the button right next to it. So once you do that, you will be able to turn on the offline mode on Hay Day. Now, your friends that is connected with Supercell ID will not be able to see you online while you are still in the game. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.